Hello everyone, my name is Rosmita Hajwari and today I am going to talk about nitrogen cycle. So, we all know that nitrogen is present in the atmosphere, which is approximately 78%. It is a lifeless gas and is highly stable and less reactive in nature. Now, what is nitrogen cycle? Nitrogen cycle is a biogeochemical process through which nitrogen is converted into many forms, passing from the atmosphere to the soil to organisms and back into the atmosphere. Nitrogen cannot be utilized by the living organisms, that is plants and animals, directly. Therefore, several microorganisms are used to fix the nitrogen from the atmosphere. It involves various steps like ammonification, nitrification and denitrification. Now, what is ammonification, nitrification and denitrification? Ammonification, formation of ammonium from organic material by using fungal and bacterial proteases and deaminases is called ammonification. Nitrification, formation of nitrate from ammonium ion is called nitrification. Here, microorganisms like Nitrosomonas, Nitrococcus, Nitrobacter and Nitrocystis is used. Denitrification, formation of molecular nitrogen from nitrate is called denitrification. Here, microorganisms like Bacillus denitrificus and Pseudomonas species is being used. Now here you can see a figure which is showing the nitrogen cycle. Here in the figure, the nitrogen which is present in the atmosphere is converted into ammonium with the help of some nitrogen fixing bacteria which is present in the root nodules of legumes and also some nitrogen fixing soil bacteria. After the conversion of nitrogen into ammonium, it is being converted into nitrites and nitrates with the help of some nitrifying bacteria, and this process is called nitrification. Some of the examples of nitrifying bacteria I have already mentioned it as Nitrosomonas, Nitrococcus, Nitrobacter and Nitrocystis. After the process of nitrification, denitrification occurs. In denitrification, the nitrate is being converted back into the atmosphere as nitrogen, and it is being done with the help of some denitrifying bacteria. And the example of some denitrifying bacteria are Pseudomonas species and Bacillus denitrificus. Again, nitrate, it is being assimilated by the plants and also the plant is being consumed by the animals. And after the death of the plants and the animals, their bodies are being decomposed by some decomposers which are aerobic and anaerobic bacteria and fungi and are converted into ammonium, and this process is called ammonification. This is how nitrogen cycle occurs in the environment. Thank you.